In this video, we're going to set up products with characteristics. Characteristics are useful when you have products with several variants. For example, for the taper candles, they're going to be available in three quantity sizes: a box of 6, 12, or 18. Setting up characteristics will enable us to set the different values for these different quantities while the customer is still on the same page. So to start with, we'll go to the control panel, go to Components, Hiker Shop, Products. Before we set up the actual product, we need to set up the characteristic group. So from the Hiker Shop submenu, go to Products, Characteristics. We'll first set up a new group, so click New on the top left side, and I'm going to call it Quantity. Then we want to add some values to this quantity group. So over on Values on the right, choose Add. I'm going to call this first one Box of 6 and click OK. The next one will be Box of 12, OK, and we'll just do one more of Box of 18. Add Box of 18. OK. At this stage you don't set any further values to these individual items because they may change for each particular product. So once you've actually got the characteristic group, click Save. All your values have been saved, and Save and Close. Now we're going to add a new product with this characteristic group. So go to Products, Add a Product. Because everything is going to be based on the characteristic value group, we don't have to fill in much information here. Just put in the title. Make sure you give it a unique code. It's TP03. And then on the right hand side, make sure you put it into the correct category. Product category is the default one, but I'm going to delete that. Click Add, and from my list of categories, I'm going to choose Taper. Click on the checkbox, OK. Okay, before I continue, I'm just going to save that and stay on this page. So after you've named your product and given it a unique code, go over to the left hand side to Characteristics and choose Add. From the list, choose Quality, OK. Sorry, Quantity. Okay, so now we have over here a drop down menu of the three values for that characteristic. As you see here, it says default value. That's the one you want to appear first when people search the product. So I'm going to choose box of 6. Then we click on Manage Variance to set the values for these. Okay, scrolling over, as you can see now everything has been given a unique code of its own, each variant. So we click on the box of 6. We give it a name, so it is Taper, and we give it some text, paste in text. Then it already has its own code. Quantity is unlimited. Minimum quantity order is 1 box. The weight is 0.2 kilograms. Oops. 0.2 kilograms. The length at, I don't know, what are they? 12 centimeters. You can leave the rest as it is. Up here on the right hand side, so I've got the price, and we'll make these $160 for a box of 6. And quantity 1. Add image. So just navigate to your image. And we'll use these ones. Open. OK. And that's it for that one. And so I'm going to save and close. Save and close. I'm going to do a second one, which is the box of 18. We'll make these on taper again. I'm going to give them the same description, maybe a little bit less, so we can see the difference. It's already got its code. It's a box of 18, unlimited quantity, 1 box per order. Leave the retail. Don't put the retail price here. I'll show you why that's in a different different video. The weight will be 0.6 kilograms. Again, the length is, what do we say, is it 18 centimeters? I can't remember, doesn't matter. It's published. Up here on the left hand side, so 160 we had. Let's call these 400. Image, I'm going to put a slightly different image, just to, I don't have many, but just to show you how it changes the images as well. This time I'll just use the same one as the category page. Okay, so that's now complete. I'm going to save and close and just very quickly do the last one, being the box of 12. Okay, and the box of 12 will make these $300. Okay, on the taper, the same description as earlier. A little bit less to show the difference. Then it has its own code. Minimum quantity is 1 box. The weight, I can't remember what the others were, but we'll have 0.5, 18 centimeters. And then length over on the right hand side, $400. I'm not going to put an image on this one, so I can show you how that looks. And that's it on that one. So now we save and close. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go to the front end and have a look at how that comes out. So over on the front end, this is our product categories. So now we click on taper. As you can see, we have tapers, 160 each, taper, choose options. This is the holding image. If you haven't placed an image, then one will be placed, a holding image will be placed for you. So we'll go to individual products, choose options. And here you see we have this is for the box of 6, there's the price, $160. I choose the box of 12. We didn't have an image for this one, so it puts in the placeholder image. But there's the new text and the price, and the box of 18, which had a different image again. And that's it. Very straightforward. Just a few extra steps. And that's it for this video. In future ones, we'll talk about the pricing and how to set a sale price and a normal price. That's it for now. Thank you.